Pete here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com, your source for information about coronavirus stimulus packages, news, business help tips, and more. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the like button, smash a subscribe. Really helps me out because I try to put up good information about everything you need to survive during the pandemic for small businesses and entrepreneurs. One thing that I also like to focus on sometimes is investment and stock information, as well as real estate. But what we're looking at now is Moderna. Moderna just got a contract for $472 million. I guess that's a pretty good contract for a smaller company. Yeah, I could use that money too. But either way, it's showing promise in their RNA sequencing. So they have gone through a couple phases. Of course, you can say they expanded to phase 3 study of the vaccine. A lot of people are saying that we won't have a vaccine till 2021. Trump, not trying to get political, but did state by the end of the year. And more than likely, some of the news is saying it will be in October. So we'll see what happens. But you have to keep in mind, normally vaccines take years to develop and get approved. And right now they're at phase 3, which that could be 1 to 2 years. And they've done that in months. So a couple of companies have, and this might be a stock to look at. And I just wanted to show you the chart here. So we're looking at a 1-year chart. And we're looking at the growth of Moderna. So they've been going up pretty much. Not really sure why they went down, but this kind of stuff happens. Well, you can see here when news hits. I'm expecting them to go up, but not telling you to buy or sell or anything. Keep in mind, not giving stock advice. I'm just putting out information that I think could be helpful. You decide what you want to do with it. Next, kind of a stock that I thought was important and kind of shows how the economy is Hertz. Hertz was actually down. I'm going to show you how their chart is, but they were actually down quite a bit. And then they filed for bankruptcy protection. Doesn't really look really good. And I was more optimistic on this stock, I would just say personally. But they actually dropped to around 40 cents, and it was 53 cents not too long ago. And they're going to be selling 182,000 cars. I thought that was pretty interesting. They have to do that so they can stay afloat in 2020. So it's basically what they're doing to stay alive. And when you're looking at the stock price for Hertz, this is basically what happened with them. They were doing great. They even went to $20 a share when things were doing well. Coronavirus hit, boom, and they crashed pretty low. But they're at $1.58. I think, unfortunately, because of the news that just hit, their stock is probably going to dip a little bit. A lot of their business, by the way, has to do with travel, vacations, and business people who rent vehicles. So these industries have been hit pretty bad, just like the cruise lines and airline industries and any travel industry. And that's why you got to kind of watch these. So keep in mind, I'm not telling you to buy or sell any stock. I just thought this was kind of interesting. If there are any stocks that you are curious about or have bought yourself and are making money on or losing money, comment below. Let us know what they are. I like to do some research on them too, because I don't have time to look at everything. But if you ask, I will see what I can do to check that out. Thank you very much. Smash a like, subscribe, and have a great day. It's Pete with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel.